Today, Sad and I are going to make something very delicious with this cauliflower. Just some cauliflower steaks. It's quick and easy and absolutely delicious. So we're going to start by cutting it right through the half. We already cleaned the leaves off. And then we're going to make some big old steaks, cauliflower steaks. We place some parchment paper in the base of this pan. And here are our steaks, and whatever is left over, no worries, we'll put that to great use. As for the seasoning of our steaks, we'll make some with bacon and some instead vegetarian. So we're gonna put some cayenne pepper flakes in here. We're gonna crush some garlic right into this. Actually, you know what? We can even use the zester to do it. So it's nice and fine. Once again, right here. And you will see underneath how nice and fine it is. So we put some salt in here, the garlic and the cayenne pepper. And now we're going to go over here and brush our steaks with this mixture. We decided that these two will be the vegetarian ones. Here we have some paprika. We're going to put that on top, just like so. And then we'll also put some lemon zest on these two. Lemon that has been well washed ahead of time. And this is going to give it a really good flavor as well. So here, just a little bit of lemon zest. The rest instead, for the meat lovers, we will put the bacon right on top. It also would be very good with pancetta. And we're just gonna spread it right over the top. And the flavor of the bacon is gonna go right into our steaks, our cauliflower steaks. Now, of course, if our guests were true vegetarians, we will place these in a completely different pan, completely aside from the ones with the bacon. These guys are ready to go into the oven. Cauliflower steaks are going into the oven, and we will close the door. Now we can peek inside and see how the fire is going below. Perfect. Our beautiful cauliflower steaks are ready to come out, and look at these beauties. I think we're going to pick this one right here. Look at this gorgeous cauliflower steak. Place it in the center of this plate. Top it off with just a little bit of parsley. And look at this beauty. Oh man, I can't wait to get into it. It's nice and soft and tender. Falls apart. And I'm going to have to take a bite. Buon appetito!